Knowing when meat is fully cooked is vital for both safety and flavor. Many home cooks mistakenly rely on cutting into the meat, which can cause juices to escape and dry it out. This method can also be misleading, as the color may not always indicate doneness. Common misconceptions include believing that all meats should be cooked until there's no pink left, which is not true for certain types like pork or poultry when prepared correctly. By understanding alternative methods, you can ensure perfectly cooked meat without compromising its quality. A meat thermometer is an essential tool for home cooks, ensuring that meat is cooked to a safe internal temperature while retaining its juiciness. For poultry, the USDA recommends an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Beef can vary, with medium rare aiming for about 135 degrees Fahrenheit, while pork should reach 145 degrees. Using a meat thermometer eliminates guesswork, preventing undercooked or overcooked meat. Simply insert the thermometer into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bones. This not only guarantees safety but also enhances flavor and texture, making it a must-have for any kitchen. The touch test method is an intuitive way to determine meat doneness without cutting into it. By comparing the firmness of the meat to the feel of different parts of your hand, you can gauge its readiness. For example, raw meat feels soft, like the fleshy part of your palm, while medium rare feels similar to the area below your thumb. As meat continues to cook, it becomes firmer, akin to the firmness of your palm itself when you make a fist. This technique helps reinforce cooking instincts and can yield perfectly cooked meat every time. The color of both the meat and its juices serves as a key indicator of doneness. For chicken and turkey, clear juices indicate that the meat is fully cooked, whereas pink juices may suggest undercooking. For beef, the ideal doneness can be assessed through color as well. Medium rare often retains a warm pink center, while well done exhibits minimal pinkness. Factors such as the cooking method, thickness of the cut, and resting time also influence color cues. Understanding these visual signals helps ensure that meat is both safe to eat and deliciously juicy. Resting time is a crucial step in the cooking process that often gets overlooked. After cooking, meat should be allowed to rest for about 5 to 20 minutes, depending on the size of the cut. This allows the juices, which are driven to the center during cooking, to redistribute throughout the meat, enhancing flavor and texture. Additionally, carryover cooking occurs as the residual heat continues to cook the meat slightly, raising its internal temperature by a few degrees. This practice ensures that your meat is juicy, tender, and safe to eat, maximizing culinary results.